Well, Eric, the Sierra Central Snow Lab tells me that 4 feet of snow has dumped within a 24-hour period. Definitely good news for snow lovers. Interstate 80 reopened to cars this morning, but not to truckers who were turned around at Applegate. Snow lovers weren't disappointed. We began seeing snow just below 3,000 feet in the area of Secret Town Road. Chain control started at the lower elevation at Alta. A little further up the highway, a family pulled their pickup over on the side of the road. This was the very first time seeing snow for 10-year-old Lisette of Woodland. What do you think of this snow?
It's cool. It's cold.
It's very cold, huh?
It's really good. I always wanted to feel snow.
What does it feel like to you?
It feels like really soft.
13-year-old Sarai has seen snow before.
It's more like smooth and soft than last time.
Well, we're just past Blue Canyon. As you can see, it is snowing. There's between 3 and 4 feet of snow, which is why CHP and Caltrans are telling motorists to take it nice and slow. The snow came down thick and heavy in what CHP warns is near whiteout conditions because you simply can't see through traffic. It's the reason big rigs lined up with snow piled on top as truckers waited for the go-ahead to get back on the freeway. But not everyone was as tolerant of the snowfall. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, where are you guys headed to?
Back home to Reno.
So you're used to the snow?
No.
You're not
originally
used.
from California.
What do you think of all of this?
I don't want to be here. No, it's too much. I can't. No, this is not for me, not for all of us, but everybody drive safe, have a great experience, don't go crazy. I had to change from my shorts to my pants because I was really, really cold. I cut my hair, I have no more hair, now I feel the cold. So, but just be safe, drive safe.
Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas, happy holidays.
And Caltrans tells me that the summit is still closed to big rig traffic, but definitely what has not changed is for drivers to take it nice and easy as they get back on the freeway. Reporting here from Nyack, Rowena Shaddix, Fox 40 News.